So, Carly, are you enjoying the hugging on my bed? Yeah? This is my bed, you know that, right? Don't try and act cute. This is Mommy's bed. Yeah, see? My bed. My pillow. My blanket. Yeah. What are you doing? You reading a book? Sweetie, it's upside down. There you go. You're welcome. So what do you have to say to these nice, fine people? It's a video. Want to sing?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
They can't say I love you back right now. You're blocking it. Okay. Yeah, Chi-Chi. Say good night.
Bye.
Say bye. Say good night.
Good night.
You're kissed. Bye.